Next we want to install PHP. The command is quite long, so I've pasted it into the terminal. You just need to copy it and press enter yourself. Type Y to continue. Then type clear to clear the screen. Now you need to configure the PHP install. To do this, type vim / etc / apache2 / mods - enabled / dir.conf. Since we're using PHP for the web server, it should look for PHP files first. Therefore, the index.php should be moved to the front of the line. Press I for insert and delete index.php. Then go to the start of the line and enter index.php space. Press escape / WQ to save and exit. Now we need to reset the web server again. To do this, type systemctl space reset restart even apache2. Press enter. To test the PHP install is working, we can create a test PHP file. To do this, type vim /var /www /html /info.php. Press I to insert, and in the file enter the code I've just pasted in. Press escape / WQ to exit and save when you're done. Now we can see if the created PHP file is valid by entering the VPS IP address in a browser and entering info.php and pressing enter. If it is valid, it should bring up the info.php file. As you can see, the info.php file has been executed correctly by Apache2 and is displaying information about the PHP install. Lastly, you need to go and delete the info.php file using remove /var www /html /info.php.